The second you put this on your balcony or terrace, something amazing starts happening. I couldn't believe it the first time I tried it. And once you test it yourself, you'll never see your outdoor space the same again. Forget about pricey sprays, strong chemicals, or complicated devices. For the first method, take a small ceramic plate or saucer. Spread about 3 teaspoons of baking soda evenly across the surface to form a thin white layer. Then grab some ground coffee, fresh or used, it makes no difference, and add around 5 teaspoons on top until the baking soda is fully covered. Gently smooth it out with a spoon so everything looks even and flat. Write your city in the comments. I'm curious where everyone is watching from. Now comes the interesting part. Light a match and carefully place it on top of the coffee layer. Then light a few more, spacing them slightly apart. It's okay if they go out quickly. Their job is just to get things started. Gradually, the coffee will begin to smolder by itself. Watch closely now. A light stream of smoke will rise into the air. To us, it smells warm and pleasant, but for tiny unwanted guests, it's a clear signal to stay away. And that's only the first method. Stay with me, because the second one is just as smart and just as effective. Take a small container and add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Next, add a bit of toothpaste. Any type or color works. Mix it gently into the coffee. The toothpaste helps bind everything together and strengthens the scent. Now take a roll of toilet paper. Don't worry, you'll only need a small piece. Tear off a square, fold it in half, and roll it tightly into a small bundle. It should be firm but not overly tight. You'll understand why soon. Set it aside, then take some of the coffee mixture. Comment yes if you plan to try this at home. Use your fingers to spread the mixture evenly over the rolled paper. Make sure every part is covered. The better the coating, the stronger the effect. Press it in gently, like spreading frosting, so it sticks well. Now comes an important step. Take a glass bottle. It must be glass, not plastic. Add about 20 whole cloves inside. These are essential. If you like, you can also add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for a richer aroma. Then pour in enough alcohol vinegar to completely cover the cloves. The vinegar helps release the natural oils and boosts the overall effect. Gently stir or shake everything together. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd really like to hear your opinion. And here's the key part. This isn't just about smell. What you've made is a powerful, completely natural repellent. If you have a similar trick, share it in the comments. I'd love to see it. See you in the next one.